Hi, I'm Sarah from Shop Zero. My aim is to help you live more sustainably. I'm going to show you how to shop zero waste in your own containers. First, any container will do. You don't need to go out and buy anything special, just refill what you have. Plastic tubs, produce bags, glass jars, washing up or shampoo bottles. At our shop, we serve you. So first we put your container on the scales and tare to zero. Then you choose the food you want, dried fruits, nuts, spices and snacks, or maybe some lentils or other pulses. Next we fill your container. You can choose as little or as much as you want. Everything is charged per 100 grams for the exact amount in your container. We also stock a range of household detergents and personal care refills. You can even get a refill for your cooking oil too. We'd love to see you at St James's Street soon.